Forms are interactive. Users click buttons, change fields, open forms, and close them. Each time a user interacts with elements of a form, these actions are read by the 1C Enterprise platform. This interaction is called an event. Form events let us control what happens at each of these moments. These events can be used to trigger specific procedures or functions to process user data. There are different kinds of events. Here are some examples. Form lifecycle events occur when the form is open or closed. Field change events. These events occur when a user changes a field value. Button events occur when a user clicks a button. All form event handlers are written in the form module. This module usually works on the client side because it interacts directly with the user interface. Form events often work together with form attributes. When an event occurs, we can read or modify attribute values, and the form updates automatically. It's important to keep form event logic simple. Form events are mainly used for interface behavior and validation. Heavy business logic should be moved to object modules of server procedures.